The STICKLERS Fiber Optic Cleaning Kit has been selected by Virgin Media for cleaning fiber optic connectors and contains everything needed for perfectly clean connectors. Readying the STICKLERS Clean White 400 is fast and easy. First, open the box and remove the wipes from the plastic bag, and be sure to discard the plastic bag. There is an illustration inside the box that shows the proper feed direction for the wipe. The wipes are always threaded through the slots as shown here, and the wipes always go on top of the box, directly over the color-coded clean slots. The clean slots assist in cleaning, and the color coding helps avoid using a slot more than once, which can compromise cleaning performance. Use the fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid with the orange tube. Spray a small amount of fluid on the wipe at the front end of one clean slot. Move the connector from wet to dry. It's fast and easy. To ready the STICKLERS Clean Wipes 90 for use, remove the wipes from the plastic bag and discard the bag. Feed the wipe from the center of the roll through the hole in the lid, and then make certain the lid is securely replaced. To use, carefully hold a wipe between the thumb and forefinger with fabric draped across the palm of your hand. Apply STICKLERS Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner to a corner and draw the end face across the wipe from wet to dry. Use each wipe only once. To ready a single wipe pack, peel the wrapper at the arrow and use care not to touch and contaminate the exposed wipe. Wet a corner with STICKLERS cleaning fluid and wipe the connector from wet to dry to clean. Dispose of the wipe when done. STICKLERS Clean Sticks come in several sizes to make cleaning termini inside interconnect housings fast and easy. To use, first moisten the stick with fiber optic splice and connector cleaner. Use the Triton well to apply a small amount of fluid. Remember, less is more. Use moderate downward pressure and rotate the stick 6 to 8 times in the same direction. Dispose of the stick after each use. Remember to always inspect, clean, and then inspect again before putting any connector into service. For more information about STICKLERS fiber optic cleaning products, please contact your local STICKLERS representative.